My name is Angela Nieto, and I am the coordinator of the Cell Plasticity in Brain Disease and Repair group. The aim of our group is to better understand how plasticity, which is a property by which cells can change their phenotype, contributes to different diseases. Plasticity occurs in response to both physiological and pathological stimuli, particularly external stimuli. And during development, plasticity is very prominent and is beneficial because it can compensate different gene losses or defects. However, in general, phenotypic plasticity in the adult is deleterious because it can induce degeneration. So understanding how plasticity is regulated so that it can lead to either beneficial or deleterious effects is extremely important, and this is one of the aims of our program. We are particularly interested in diseases that have higher prevalence during aging, such as cancer and neurodegeneration. So essentially what we want to do is to exploit our knowledge in cell plasticity that we have acquired along many years in different contexts to try and propose better therapeutic strategies in cancer and try and promote regeneration in the nervous system.